I have the OnePlus Nord CE6, and in this video I'll show you how to enable Talkback and use it on this phone. So go into settings and then scroll down and select accessibility and convenience, and then select accessibility, and then ensure you're in the vision category, and then select Talkback. Now, a fair warning, as I'm showing you how to do this, it may be loud enough, you may not be able to hear my voice, but you can follow through with what I'm doing to be able to know how to do that. So to enable Talkback, simply toggle this option on, just like that, and then allow Talkback to have full control of your device. Simply select Allow, and it's now going to start speaking with
Gestures for certain features are now disabled. Talkback. Back button. Double tap to activate.
There you go. So to select an item, you need to tap on it and then double tap on it to select. To move or to navigate through, simply use two fingers to swipe up or down, just like that. So like I said, simply tap on an item and then double tap on it. Then if you want to go home, select the home button, double tap on home to go back home. So now, while here, simply swipe up to access your app drawer, or down, or use your two fingers once again to swipe through your phone or other options, just like that. Just like that. You can even use three fingers to do the same thing. So that's basically how to enable and use Talkback on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. So if you want to disable this option, you have the option to hold down both volume and volume buttons for 3 seconds to turn off Talkback. But if you want to disable it using the long method, simply select settings, then double tap on settings to select it. And then while you're in the settings, use two fingers to swipe up or down and select accessibility and convenience. Double tap on accessibility and convenience, then select accessibility, double tap, and then select vision, and then double tap on vision, select Talkback, double tap on Talkback, and then you want to select Talkback, then double tap on it. It's going to ask you if you want to disable Talkback, select turn off, and then double tap on it to disable Talkback, just like that. Like I said, you can also, with this enabled, use the volume buttons to toggle this off. So with this toggled on, simply press and hold the volume buttons together for 3 seconds. So
button. Double tap to activate.
And it's going to disable Talkback as well. That's basically how to enable, how to use, and how to disable Talkback on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.